Hello everyone, welcome back to Utah Valley Convention Center and Tips with Chef Chris. So we've reached October and it's fall and it's harvest season and we've got ripe pears and everything that's good in the garden and apples. And what a better way to celebrate our fall than doing some caramel apples for you. We're going to start off with our water in the pan. Nice hot pan there, just for the sake of time. We want that water nice and warm. Our sugar is going to go in there. At this point, it's okay to give this a stir to get the sugar fully incorporated with the water. And we want just to start melting that sugar. And as everything's in there, we got about a quarter cup of corn syrup going in. And the corn syrup is going to help keep this caramel soft in the end product so that you can actually bite into your apple. And it's going to help stabilize the sugar in the water so that we hopefully don't crystallize our caramel when we get to the end of the process. Now 320 degrees, we've temped it with the candy thermometer and we're ready to make our additions. So we've got our sugar. You want to be super careful to put this in small doses, maybe a tablespoon at a time. So we're ready to dip the apples now. The caramel is set and cooled down enough for us to be able to do this. Wish I had popsicle sticks. I don't, but you know, MacGyver, right? You use what you have. We got some nice bamboo skewers here. As long as we have something to hold our apples onto here. And I like to have a container where I'm going to get a full dunk out of the apple. You don't want too shallow of a container. Of course, we're having all the fun. We're going to want to get the kids involved in this too. And I'm going to get the recipe and all your information up on the website. Please visit our website, see all the great events we've got going on, including our holiday events and booking holiday parties. And we're going to see you next time where we're going to have something really fun to do.